Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hey Mocha Friends, welcome back to your girl's channel. So for today's video, guys, I'm finally trying out these boho braids on my natural hair. So let's hope for the best that this turn out right. Let's go. So if you are OG, triple OG to your sis channel, then you know I cannot part to save my life on my own head. So as you can see, my boyfriend had to step in because he saw that I was struggling. So kudos to him for helping out his girl. Because without him, this part will be, yeah. Yeah. Because look what he did. That part look good, don't it? Look at this. Okay, so the two products that I'll be using today for this style is the Camille Rose Spiked Honey Mousse and the Hawaiian Silk Gel. So these two together, that's all I need for this style. So let's get started. So as I mentioned, I am going to be using the Camille Rose Spike Mousse. And to just lay down that section where the root is, I am going to be using the Shine and Jam just so it can have a sleek look. And y'all know I don't know how to braid or grip too well, especially with these nails. So I do need a little bit of sleekness at the root to give an illusion that it does look like it's a little sleek. As you guys can see, I'm starting to define the curl pieces that I left out from the braid just so that I don't have to go back and do extra work. So I'm just going ahead and defining this part so it won't be frizzy or get tangled up. So this is the progress that your girl got so far. And as I said, I don't know how to grip, so don't judge. Okay, y'all, so I finished this part of my hair. I got a little lazy, so my fingers started hurting. So I am on this side of my hair now. This is how much I have to go, y'all. I did not think it was going to take this long, but because I started doing like smaller braids closer to the front, it took a little longer than expected. So let's keep working. Let's keep working. We want a last braid, y'all. We want a last braid. Okay, so that's why I like to put a lot of product at the top. So then when it's time to braid, it'll be mostly look like it's at the root, but not really. It's like an illusion. But yeah, so you start braiding down. Braid. Oop, it's getting caught on the other one, isn't it? Okay. Let's keep going. Braid, braid my hair. Come on and braid my hair. Okay. So take the little piece out like so and just flip it over. Since it's kind of stiff, it's gonna stay over there. And with the little smaller pieces, I've been only doing like leaving out probably like 2 pieces of hair because the pieces are pretty small. So, and then take out a little there, stay over there, and then keep braiding down. Oop, oop. Just keep braiding, just keep braiding. I might have to hold that. So I'm gonna apply more of this to the pieces that dried up, but I don't really kind of need to. But I'm just gonna add it a little bit since it kind of dried. So I'm gonna just so it can have that little shine to it. Add some mousse. And then mousse. Okay guys, so this is the final results of these boho braids on my natural hair. And you know, it's giving 12-year-old girl. It's giving no value. I mean, this is why I've been so skeptical of trying this trend, because I have done individual braids before, but without the little extra curly pieces. And there was not a lot of volume there. So I kind of already knew what I was gonna do, especially since I didn't blow dry my hair. So yeah. I mean, it's still kind of cute, but it's really flat a little bit and it's not really giving volume. Like I've seen a lot of girls who have done this trend on their hair. So you know, I'm late to trends, but I did want to try it out just to show you guys how my hair looks on this type of boho braids, or if you do have my type of hair and your hair doesn't tend to have a lot of volume, this is what you're gonna get. So yeah. I mean, it's still cute, but it's not for me. I've seen a lot of girls who've done this trend, like I said, and it's for them and it looks really great. But for me, no, and I already have a baby face, it's just a no ma'am. It's a no ma'am. But I mean, we can get into it. We can get into the look. We can get into it. You know, serving a little curls. The curls is there. But yeah, not for me, guys. Not at all. What y'all think? What y'all think? Yeah, no. But I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel.